Welcome to episode 2, 3D Printed Ultimate Frisbee, version 1. In this episode, we are going to go over the first Ultimate Frisbee I designed and 3D printed. I designed this version in college in 2019. I just played Ultimate Frisbee quite a bit in college, one of my favorite sports. And at the time, I just thought, hey, can I print out a Frisbee? I mean, the Ultimate Frisbee is plastic. The FDM printers I have print plastic. It seemed to make sense to pass to me at the time. So the footage that you are about to see is footage from 2019. So I'm going to get that going, so I hope you enjoy. AyeLitt. Can you 3D print an Ultimate Frisbee? Let's find out. I drew this on Inventor the other day. I didn't really measure too much, but let's just see. Gotta love that magnetic bed. So, this is just got done printing, and it took 21 hours and 49 minutes. So let's compare the two. So from size comparison, it looks like the Ultimate Frisbee is just a little bit bigger. Yeah, it actually fits perfectly inside. Well, let's go see if we can throw this. We are on Ellis Field, my campus field. 3D printed Frisbee, Ultimate Frisbee. Let's see what happens. I'll throw a regular Frisbee just to show you how far it goes. So that was the regular Frisbee. Here's the Ultimate Frisbee.
Oh.
That's crazy. Both Frisbee. So this is 175. This is, according to Kira, 177. 2 grams heavier. A little bit smaller, but flew farther. So let's see if I can get that going.
I accidentally stopped the last footage.
So it looks like this hit the wall, but there's not that much damage. So, this little chip. Man, that's crazy though. Nice. So, Kaden and I are out here on the field, and we were playing catch with this for a little bit, and this actually kind of hurts. It hurts to catch and throw. So when I drew this, it was a circle. Then I put a fillet here. Then on the Ultimate Frisbee, you can see there's like a little chamfer here and something else here. So I tried to do that as best I could, but I think I had too many sketches, so it made the inside of this pretty sharp. So I'm gonna have to go back and obviously make it bigger so it fits inside and make this edge a lot smoother. Now it does fly though. It goes just as far as the Ultimate Frisbee, but
maybe a little farther. Maybe a little farther.
So
I'll sacrifice my hand.
We'll have Kaden give a pretty good test throw. Oh, wait, now put the two in the center. How you had it the first time? Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Crazy. All right, right there. Go ahead. Give him a launch that way. Woo! How far is that from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 35 yards? It's a pretty far throw. All right, so what's a 3D printed frisbee without some destructive testing? So this is a turf field. Let's go ahead and throw it up in the air. All right, it survives. So we got a what is this? Concrete wall, cement wall, stone wall. We got a wall. That's hard. And we got plastic. So go ahead, big boy. Give it a throw.
How power do you think?
Give it a throw. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my. Well,
No.
that, ladies and gentlemen, is not how you take care of a 3D printed frisbee.
But I guarantee it'll still fly.
It probably will.
Let's see.
Well, yeah, let's see what happens.
Ooh,
Wow.
perfect flight. Perfect flight.
That's crazy. I believe this was at 5%, no, 25% infill, and this was the gyroid pattern, if you can see. So I bet you if it was 100% infill, it might not have broke, but this is V1, so on to V2. All right, so this thing is pretty much into pieces now. So might as well
Finish it.
Yep.
You can stretch on this one. No.
Okay.
Bruh. I need slippers.
Oh my goodness, that just looks
Maybe
so
see.
bad.
The flat pattern has been slightly altered.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Izzy Bonds, everyone. I'm tired.
Man, this 3D printed frisbee,
Can take a hit.
I mean, it just keeps going. Oh, look, that gyroid pattern. So beautiful.
So gorgeous. All right.
That was crazy.
Now let's see if this also can still fly.
And it can, oh, okay, can't really fly that much. All right. That will be all. All right. I hope you enjoyed that footage. I have never been a good thrower of the frisbee. I catch the frisbee and run. At least in college I did. I was pretty quick and had some good hands. Now, post-college, having a desk job, I'm not as quick as I used to be, and my hands need a little bit of work. I just gotta get back out there and keep playing to get a little bit better, get back to my glory days. So I hope you enjoyed that video. The files you can find in the description below. Now, there were some files previously uploaded to my website, and they were scaled incorrectly. I designed that frisbee originally in Inventor, and when I was exporting them, I was exporting it to inches and not millimeters. And for those of you that print, most of the slicers prefer files exported out in millimeters, even if you designed it in inches. So the previous files that were on the website were all exported in inches. So any people that have previously downloaded files, you just need to scale it up by a factor of 10. So it comes in at 100% scale. All you need to do is just go to the scale, click on the frisbee, and type in 1,000, and it will be at the correct size. For anyone watching this video currently, right now, the new properly scaled files will be available, so you won't have to worry about that. That was a mistake on my end. I didn't realize the scale was off until I had opened the file myself and was like, oh, I forgot. I was just scaling them up and didn't tell anybody. So that's an L on my part. But the files are fixed and are ready to go. Thank you for watching. As always, go make something. You stay lit, America.